For 2026, the Subaru Outback lineup continues to offer a wide range of trim levels, each tailored to meet the needs of diverse drivers, from everyday commuters to weekend trail explorers. Outback Premium builds on the well-equipped base model with a focus on comfort and convenience. It includes dual-zone automatic climate control, an 11.6-inch infotainment system with wireless smartphone integration, and upgraded cloth upholstery. A power-adjustable driver's seat and available all-weather package ensure daily usability in all conditions. Outback Limited enhances the premium experience with leather-trimmed upholstery, keyless access with push-button start, and a Harman Kardon premium audio system. It also adds rear USB-C charging ports and enhanced driver assistance features like reverse automatic braking and driver-focused distraction mitigation system. Outback Touring is the most refined of the naturally aspirated trims, offering exclusive touches such as ventilated front seats, a power moonroof, satin chrome exterior trim, and a high-grade navigation system. A front-view camera and Napa leather interior elevate the driving experience further. Outback Limited XT and Touring XT upgrade to the 2.4-liter turbocharged Boxer engine for enhanced performance, while retaining the comfort and features of their naturally aspirated counterparts. Touring XT includes all touring features with added torque and capability. Outback Wilderness, engineered for more rugged pursuits, returns with its signature off-road ready styling, increased approach and departure angles, and a 9.5-inch ground clearance. It features reinforced roof rails, water-resistant StarTex upholstery, a front skid plate, and a retuned drivetrain with lower final drive ratio for greater low-speed crawling ability. Wilderness exclusive suspension, all-terrain Yokohama Geolandar tires, and advanced dual-function X mode give this trim uncompromised trail capability. Designed for the long haul. Whether you're traversing remote trails or navigating city streets, every 2026 Subaru Outback is designed with long-term durability and capability in mind. The structural integrity of the Subaru global platform has been further reinforced to improve crash protection and ride comfort. Meanwhile, improved aerodynamics and lightweight components help enhance fuel efficiency and reduce road noise. Owners can also enjoy Subaru's latest cloud-connected services with the MySubaru, including remote start and climate control, vehicle health reports, emergency assistance, and over-the-air updates for software and navigation. The system allows for features such as Subaru's connected services ecosystem, eco-conscious manufacturing, and remote access. Built for the Subaru of Indiana Automotive, the first zero-landfill plant in the U.S., the 2026 Outback continues Subaru's commitment to sustainability. Recycled materials are used throughout the vehicle, including headlamp pieces, underfloor parts, and cargo area components. New eco-friendly manufacturing techniques reduce water and energy consumption while improving material efficiency and durability. Coming soon, your next adventure ahead. The all-new 2026 Subaru Outback will reach dealerships in late 2025, bringing with an evolved vision of comfort and adventure, turning comfort into everyday practice. Pricing, detailed executive packages, and detailed and included harmony will be announced closer to your exit. Whether you're a long-time Outback owner or discovering it for the first time, the 2026 model year from Subaru's commitment to engineering vehicles meet the needs of today's modern adventurers. Safe, capable,